walk 100 miles. I'm gonna whistle all the while, if that's what it takes to make me smile. I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna run right up this hill, summer sky or winter chill. If I gotta take a break, I will, but I'm gonna run right up this hill. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna learn to ballet dance, learn a little something about romance. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna live a crazy dream, impossible as it may seem. Doesn't matter what the future brings, I'm gonna live a crazy dream. And I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. You tell me, don't try it. I'm warning you.
Random shot of beauty that is Italy. Look at that. That's St. Peter's Basilica up there. Gagliotti right there. Danny Marie on the bench, chilling. She does not know I'm filming her, so this might be funny. Let's do this. Let's, oh, she caught us. All right.
Hey guys. So it's what time? 5:30, and we've just finished up our tour. So we went to Colosseum, Roman Forum. Where else did we go?
We went to
like the first
Colosseum.
Botanical Gardens. Oh,
you said
the
Colosseum?
Yeah. What else was it? Palatine Hill. Palatine Hill.
Correct.
And then we just left the Basilica
and
the Vatican Museum. So now we are ready to go back to our hotel.
This is St. Peter's Square, I believe.
Yes, we're in St. Peter's Square, and we're going to attempt to find our hotel and walk back. So let's see.
Which is nice to walk around.
Okay.
It really is.
I think we had to go down like a street down here, but I'm gonna give the navigation to you.
Okay.
You're much better at that than I am. Wait, tell us where we are again. Well, we're in the western part of Rome, you said, right?
The terrazza del Mincio.
Okay. Oh, puppies, more puppies.
West.
Straight ahead. To say goodbye to Rome.
When you're falling apart,
match the hotel room. My shirt.
Yes, you do.
Yes, I do. Well, I mean, they're all different colors, the rooms. How cute is this room? Hey guys, so we are, Denise behind me, the chairlift. We're in a single chairlift in Anacapri, and we're going up to the highest point on the island. So we're gonna have some pretty sick views. So I'll show you guys. Oh, it's shaky.
Hanging on for another life.
She's like, oh yeah.
Those tomatoes.
Yes.
Di questo un poco because
Nice, Vinny.
Oh, thank you. Let's go and see. Yeah, I know, right? I think she put like probably like 5.
Vin, how confident do you feel?
Probably on the level from 1 to 10, I'd say 7.
That's a lot of confidence.
Please join the
Honorable Judge Wapner.
Now you gotta work the dough. Work the dough. Work the dough.